Welcome to my second Subaru versus deer incident. They like to run into my car. This was also deer versus Subaru. Deer won. Track vehicle versus Subaru. Long story. Here's what's left of the old mirror. Got a replacement mirror, and Mike's gonna put it in for us today. Mike got a new tool. Oh, that was nice.
Way better than a screwdriver.
Yeah.
I'm sold on this thing. This is fucking great. Oh, damn, I guess we'll have to pull the door panel. No, I don't think it's supposed to. Oh, well, that one was done. It shattered immediately.
Show us your tool. That is nice.
One to two done. That's the way out. Yeah, just in 500 pieces. I hope they didn't put any up under here. I don't think that's moved in a little while. Not yet, fingers. There's still shit to do.
No mirror.
Drop it. styrofoam sound deadening shit fell and got all balled up on itself.
Yay. Doesn't match my other one, but it's functional.
Yeah, I think that'll go. It's not correct, but it fills the hole and keeps it from falling off.
Should I fire it up and see some
Yeah,
moves?
make sure it works. This mirror thing.
That only took like 20 minutes. It really did.
Yeah.
That was-
Well, now the labor book says we have to charge a minimum of 2 hours for this job. Shop rate's $100.50. Oh, plus the weather sucks ass. That's going to be another $75. So yeah, $375 at the front desk.
Yes, sir. It's well spent.
Absolutely.
Now I have a mirror.